hunger and poverty in Yemen, which has been in the grip of a bitter civil war since 2015. One, from the UN, forecasts that across large parts of the south, 40% of the population are facing acute food insecurity. Here's our chief international correspondent, Lise Doucet.
Even before the coronavirus struck, Yemen was described as the world's worst humanitarian disaster. These new surveys chart its steady descent into an even deeper, more worrying crisis. The UN's new survey provides a detailed assessment of the devastating impact of multiple threats: war, floods, locusts, an economic crisis, and now COVID-19. In a separate report, the Norwegian Refugee Council says 94% of families in its study described food as a top concern. Nearly half said they'd lost at least half of their income since April. The UN senior official in Yemen, Lise Doucet, warns that Yemen is again on the brink of a major crisis of hunger. But the UN's most recent appeal has raised only half of the life-saving aid Yemen needs.
Lise Doucet. Israel has come a step closer to making what's known as gay conversion therapy illegal after MPs voted through a draft law to ban the practice, widely regarded as a human rights violation. The bill must pass through 2 more Knesset readings before becoming law, but could ultimately be blocked by members of the centre-right governing coalition. So, how common is the practice?